fault.
Of course it was my fault. No, put that gun in my hand.
But you didn't know.